Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop overheating how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the overheating issue on your laptop, the first method that you can use is check for dust and vent blockage. Dust can block airflow, so what you can do is clean in vents and fans using a can of compressed air and make sure the laptop is on a flat hard surface, not your lap. Then second method is use a cooling pad. Place the laptop on a cooling pad with built-in fans, which helps to maintain lower temperatures during heavy uses. The next method is close unnecessary apps by simply pressing Ctrl Shift plus Escape, which opens up the task manager. And now here what you need to do is end the apps consuming high CPU or GPU by simply right-clicking on it and selecting the End Task option. The next method is adjust power settings by simply pressing Windows plus I or on Start menu, and on the search bar type in settings and that will open up the settings. Now inside what you need to do is select system, and now inside system select power and battery. Now here select power mode, and under power mode select option that says balance and avoid high performance mode for longer periods. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.